If I had to choose one person to give all my love to, I wouldn't have to think twice. It would always be you, in a heartbeat, without hesitation. My heart always points to you. You are my first thought in the morning and my last at night, the one who fills my dreams and brightens my days. Your presence in my life is a gift I cherish deeply. You bring out the best in me and inspire me to love more fully and deeply than I ever thought possible. Every moment spent with you is a treasure, and I am grateful for the joy and warmth you bring into my life. Choosing you is the easiest decision I've ever made. You are my rock, my confidant, and my greatest love. No matter what life throws our way, my love for you will remain unwavering and true. Always and forever it will be you, Samasaya.